This is a little beauty. It's a wren, new wren nest that, and just see what that's getting on. Yeah, I would say that's complete. Not as much camouflage as the other one. Quite exposed at the top, just at the base of this little tree here. Yeah, nice one. I don't know if you can see it, but it's blurred out. There's a song thrush sitting tight on its nest in this broom. Never seen a nest in broom for a long time. But these are, it's quite open. It's listening, but I can't zoom any. I can't get any closer than this actually. But no, there it is, through there. It's a song thrush on a nest. Excellent. Have a little look under this tree stump. This. Look under this tree stump. What's that? Not much of a one, but it could be well tucked away, that one. Under this uprooted tree, hidden in there. Could be building. This one. That looks new. Yeah, I think that's a stretching into this hawthorn here. That's a new blackbird nest sitting on top. Looks like a vodka bottle. I think that is new. It's shaping up there. Most of that material looks pretty new. Yeah, I would say that is this year's on a vodka bottle.